one step away from joining us at ClickBank University, and I hope you're excited. What I want to do is give you a quick overview of some of the biggest things you're going to be getting inside. The first is our core program. That's 8 weeks of training from Adam on how to become a super affiliate. This is going to be great for you if you don't want to have to create your own website or your own product. Just promote other people's products and make commission. The second path is to be a vendor. That's a product owner, and I teach that in a 12-week program. So this is going to be great for you if you're really excited about creating your own product around something you're passionate about and by getting other affiliates to promote your product for you. And if you don't know where to start, don't worry. Both are included inside of your membership. So you can decide to start with affiliate or the vendor or just do both. The next thing are interviews from industry experts. We've interviewed some gurus online that you've probably heard of and a lot that you haven't who are behind the scenes making millions of dollars online. We interviewed them, asked them some tough questions like, what does it really take? What kind of struggles did you face? And what are the best things for our members to learn from? You're also going to get access to what we call the toolkit. The toolkit is a library of videos that you're going to get access to that are going to show you the best, the cheapest, and a lot of times free tools to use to automate all the technical aspects of creating your business. So those are going to become really helpful when you're following along on your journey to online success. The next thing is something we didn't mention in that sales video that you were just watching. As a special unannounced bonus, if you join today, we're going to be giving you unlimited crash courses. These are courses that we've created in the past that are things like YouTube ads, things like how to become an influencer in your niche, or the best and most secretive copywriting strategies to boost your conversions and turn visitors into customers. These are courses we've created, but we're going to be adding new courses in the future as well. And if you join today, these crash courses that we sell separately are actually going to be free to you. So that's an amazing bonus, and we're really excited to offer it to you, but we can only offer it to you if you join today. Maybe most importantly that I wanted to get across in this video is that every single week we're going to be doing live Q&As where you can ask me directly any questions you might have, ask for any feedback or anything you want to help you get to that next level in your own business and make sure that you're never left behind. You're also going to get access to a community that we built out that's only for CBU members. And this is a forum that you're going to get access to right when you get inside. Make sure to check out the forum area and join that. You're going to be able to get help from other members. You're going to be able to team up, network. You never know if your next business partner is hanging out inside the forum. So what I want you to do is go ahead, join us, fill out the information below, and let's get started, and I hope to see you inside. By the way, rest assured, your payment is secure, and it's backed by ClickBank's own 30-day money-back guarantee. You have nothing to risk, nothing to wait for, so fill out the information below, and I'll see you inside.